black-crowned night heron you're seeing here is bathed in soft, glowing morning sunlight, a rare sighting of this typically nocturnal bird. The white on this adult heron is so pure, it looks like it has just been washed in detergent. This gleaming white plumage is not just visually striking, it's also a strong indicator of good health and full maturity. In contrast, juvenile night herons look quite different. Young birds are streaked all over with brown and white, often showing grayish and yellowish hues, a camouflage adaptation for their early, more vulnerable months. These streaks gradually give way to the stark black, grey and white of the adult as they mature, usually by their second year. We are incredibly lucky to witness this bird up close and in such perfect light. Usually, black-crowned night herons are crepuscular and nocturnal, meaning they are most active at dusk, night, and dawn. During the day, they often roost in dense foliage or hidden wetland corners, away from disturbance. You might often spot them flying from a distance across wetlands or rivers, but an intimate, close encounter like this feels like a privilege. What you're seeing here is not a hungry heron, but one resting contentedly after a satisfying meal of fresh, small fish. After that hearty breakfast, he's taking a well-deserved break before continuing his daily routine. That signature crown, more like a delicate white ponytail, flows gracefully in the breeze, while the heron gently cleans its beak with its tongue. These subtle, beautiful details come to life only when captured in high frame rates like 60 or 120 FPS and above, revealing a world the naked eye often misses. Watch this one as it masterfully catches a small fish. We've slowed the footage down to help you appreciate the precision and grace of its movement. Notice the sequence. The neck extending forward in a rapid thrust, eyes locked onto the prey, the beak piercing the water surface, and with a quick motion, retrieving its catch. Then comes the classic double crush, 2 sharp bites to immobilize the fish before swallowing it whole. There's something truly mesmerizing about watching them endlessly catch and devour fish, a seamless dance of precision and instinct. Each movement is so fluid, so purposeful, that you could watch for hours without ever feeling tired. Their rhythm, their focus, their mastery of the hunt, it's nature's performance at its finest, and it never gets old. It's undeniable that humans have drawn deep inspiration from creatures like these. Their hunting teaches us invaluable lessons in patience, precision, and focus. The silent stillness before the strike, the sharp awareness of every movement, the relentless commitment to survival. These are timeless skills that echo in our own journey through life. In many ways, the art of survival and the discipline of waiting for the right moment, we've learned that from nature's finest hunters. Eat, rest, and repeat. That's the simple, effective life strategy of this bird. Whether under the sun or moon, its day revolves around feeding. When not actively hunting, it is usually standing still, resting, or perched silently in shaded areas. The black-crowned night heron, Nycticerax necticerax, is one of the most widely distributed herons in the world. Its range spans every continent except Antarctica and Australia. In India, they are commonly found in wetlands, marshes, mangroves, lakes, riversides, flooded fields, and even in urban water bodies, from Delhi to Kerala, Gujarat to Assam. They prefer freshwater and brackish wetlands, nesting in colonies in reed beds, trees, or on small islands. Often, they share their nesting sites with other wading birds like egrets and cormorants. The scientific name Nycticerax literally means night raven in Greek, referring to their nocturnal habits and croaking calls. Their call is a distinctive quawk, often heard just after sunset as they take off for their nightly hunt. Intelligent enough, night herons have been observed using bait fishing behavior, dropping leaves or twigs onto the water surface to lure fish. In the hushed glow of morning or under the quiet of night, the black-crowned night heron lives a life of silent elegance, thriving in wetlands, riversides, and mangroves across continents. It doesn't boast like the flashy kingfisher or soar like the eagle, but it holds its place with stillness, focus, and ancient wisdom. Whether in the heart of a city wetland or a remote riverside, if you ever spot one, adult or juvenile, take a pause and observe. Because in that moment, you're not just watching a bird, you're connecting with a deep, instinctual story of survival that's been unfolding for thousands of years. Until next time, keep watching with us, Birds of Incredible India, and keep commenting.